So for today, we're gonna make another Lego building. So last time we did the flying fort. It's one of the latest Harry Potter collection. It just came this month, February. Now we're gonna make another Lego set. Ta-da! It is Wall-E. So today we're gonna make this brick heads Lego set. Madali lang to. So let's open it. I'm currently watching Wall-E's. Oops. So for this set, we have two booklets, Wall-E and Eve. So which one are we gonna make? So I think I'm gonna make Wall-E first. So set aside natin because Wall-E is bag number 1. Actually, there are 2. Okay, there are 2 bags. One small, pero kasama niya siya nito. And then another one. So let's make Wall-E. Wall-E's famous plant shoe. It's the plant. So cute. So cute. And this is his famous. Ta-da! Ang maganda dito is that namumove mo yung head ni Wall. Eve. Eve. That's Eve. My extras right there.